You know, I attend the Something Cool events as often as I can, and it feels so good to give back to not just Something Cool, but to the whole neighborhood.
I'm from here. I was raised and started painting actually in these alleys. Back where Something Cool Studios is one of the first walls that we painted when I was a teenager. So yeah, this is like coming back home to me.
Well, I first heard of it through Luis. I work with Luis and I've worked here a lot. So I know what this alley looks at the worst. So I'm really happy that this is happening and it's getting improved.
I'm a big fan of art, so always, looking to meet new artists and then looking to participate more in the community, especially with what's going on right now.
We also live in the neighborhood, and so it's a chance to connect with neighbors, and also we use these alleyways, so it's nice to help beautify the spaces.
I actually heard about it through my work. I work for Live Nation and I work at Scudin, and we're in the community and we like to support our community that we exist in. So it just felt like a good effort, and I've personally wanted to get more into doing volunteer work this year, so this was a good idea for me, and I'm super stoked to be here.
I have met so many people today. I feel like within the first hour I met 30 people. They're all creatives, they're all locals. Yeah, there's really cool people all coming together to do some great work.